Mark Reynolds will lead things off. And it's Soon Won Oh. He's been really good. He works away, whether it's a right-handed batter or a left-handed batter. And the minute I say that, he misses with a slider down and in. But the book on him is he stays away.
He has a 5-pitch mix coming out of the bullpen, and when you have a fastball that ranges 92 to 95, you have a filthy slider, he throws a split finger. It makes it really difficult for hitters. The final boss.
Love that nickname. It's the 1-1. That's on the outside corner. Good pitch. And he strikes out Mark Reynolds.
Bring your group to Coors Field and receive discounted pricing, scoreboard recognition, and other great benefits. Call today for more information.
Soon Won is from South Korea. And now he's going to face Gerardo Parra. First at bat for Parra. He came in straight up an inning ago defensively for Rayburn.
Well, O went to Japan and played for the Hanshin Tigers. Matt Merton was a teammate of his, and in the short time that he was with the Hanshin, he set new save records in the Japanese league.
That's a strike.
He had 277 saves in Korea, added 80 more in Japan.
And he's got 2 strikeouts here in the 8th inning. You never faced him though, huh?
I never faced him. No, I was out of the game by then.
2 outs, that'll bring up DJ. And here's another question for George from Edwin. Since the Rockies technically don't have an ace yet, who would you say could classify as one? And George responds better with his success. Hope De La Rosa gets back soon. And I would add to George's response that stuff-wise, John Gray has front of the rotation stuff, and he's pitched like, unless it's only 3 games, but he's pitched like a frontline guy his last 3 outings.
He really has. And the confidence to me is soaring when you're watching John Gray pitch. You can see the demeanor, you can see how he's been walking around, and at some point there's a moment in every player's mind where you feel like you belong in the major leagues, and I haven't asked John specifically when that moment has been or if he's had it yet. But by the way he's been carrying himself, I'm assuming he knows, hey, I'm not going to the minor leagues anymore. I belong right here.
1-2 on DJ. Strike 3. Wow. That's
We're not passing this stage, Drew.
Soon Won Oh has struck out the side. So we go to the bottom of the 8th. The Rockies leading 3-1.